Oh, it wasn't recording. It just started. I didn't push it. Now it's saying record.
All right, Walter's reappeared now. Let's see if he can bring it on his second try. Oh, he got it all right. And he brought it up forever. Walter's up now and headed to the... Oh, heck yes. It's the sucker punch, Walter.
Yank it away from me.
Beatles concert in there. That does not look like a face.
He will not let go.
The big balls. Oh, heck no. Walter fall down, go boom. The big balls taking what little wind Walter had left. Right out of it. All right, Walter gingerly sneaking up to the hurdle hoops. Sorry, Walter, no mercy here. Walter's going to try the pony ride technique. Ooh, should have gone sidestep. He might actually be a girl after that. Ooh, he falls like an eighth of a ton of bricks. Well, he's back on his feet. These hurdles are relentless. It looks and sounds like a Williams Sisters and Little Bit.
You're wearing me out.
Walter onto the final hurdle.
Yes, he's through.
Jeez.
Walter's at the icy swing set. He makes it onto that first swing. You know, Walter really manning up for this obstacle. Oh, name for it. Now we take you to our next contestant. Oh, wait a second.
She is fast.
That's not got it right there. Kelly takes to it like a pigtail and slot. John, remember, pigtails, not pigtails.
You're too fast.
Pigtails onto the second set.
I stood up and had to, like, between my legs, pull up between my legs and that. She'll run between my legs.
You're too fast.
Let's move ahead to 23-year-old accountant Jessica Everett. He's at our hurdle hoops. Oh, the accountant needs an extension. Oh. Hey, are bruises deductible? Our bean counter should probably be counting acorns when she enters our Ice Age movie set. You know how this works, John? Oh, and so does Jessica. She's onto that first swing.